Hindi ko ganito na see?
Wala. Wala akong ganyan. Hindi ako nagli-lipstick.
Hindi ko dati ito na ganito yung shape
Sige.
mo.
Shape. Parang yung katulad ng kanatita Tetot na ginagagilulan na. Okay. Yan. Konti lang. Close it. Close. Ay. Okay. Okay. Para meron pa later.
And this one.
Sige, put it in the bag. Para hindi mapatak.
That.
Ayan na nga. Who gave that to you?
Lolo and Lola.
Did you say thank you?
No.
Thank you ko kanina, diba?
Thank you. Manita.
Again.
Hello po. Tanggal na?
Be careful, ha? And sabi, saan daw gagamitin yan?
Gagamitin.
Are you allowed to go out wearing that?
No.
Okay. Where's the light pink? Ay, di ba you're going to put it inside?
I put it inside.
Yes. Ganun ba yun? Ay, no. Baliktad, anak.
Chia.
Yun. Okay.
And perfect.
Okay.
And big.
Okay, fix the box. Put the cover. Okay, place it under the sofa, please. Para hindi... sige, dyan na lang. Okay.
No more.
Make up na.